checking the washer, make sure it's got enough room for it. It's in there good. Looks like I'm to correct depth also. Good.
Where's the light on?
No, it's on. It's off right now. There you go. Okay, see in here? So there's the washer, goes in too far, it's actually going to sit way up here. So we have a clearance down there. And it's about the same height, almost identical. It's probably only 5 or 10 thou thicker, so that's good. So all that was laid out good. Okay, so now we can go ahead and push in the bearing here so we can continue doing the work we need to do on this thing. We're back to where we started 2 hours ago, putting the bearing in the damn case. Minor sidetrack. See, we left that over here. All right, we're gonna put that over there. See what your flywheels did over here to my tool.
Mm-hmm. Guilty as charged.
See, I was bending the flywheel into my tool. So we got to cut these all straight now. I'm going to have to weld this up and then cut them straight. Probably weld it up and then cut it straight. That's how much I've been beating on that flywheel. Screwed it up. Both of them. Oh well. I'll get over it. I'll get right on that, fixing that. Okay. That side, you can see it. Alright. Okay. Damn sleeve back. Okay, so this is your new bearing. So flat side is what you push on, radius side is not what you push on. That goes in there like that. Pushing tool.
Do you Loctite that?
Nope. Go all the way up. Nope. Some push on extension. Okay, looks good. It's got a nice steady push on it. Felt good. It's in there flush. Looks like a winner. Ah, damn, that didn't feel good. Oh, back's not happy. Yeah, it's screaming that you're a dumbass. Ah. Oh. All right, there you go. You can go look at it all you want now. Good.
Bingo.
Now, as the rollers rotate, yep, good. They slide. Now there's a cam going there and there's a fit now. Was it too tight? Won't work. Nice and loose like stock. Looks like a champ. Definitely better than that one. Okay, did you have a gasket you're going to use on this motor?
Yep.
Why don't you go grab it for me? Okay, we got a bunch of short ass screws here. Yeah. Ooh, I like that one. There's a good one. Too short. Yeah, goop on that thing. What's up with that?
On which one?
That's too long. Your screws are all just the wrong length. So these are the ones that are going to go in there after you put your correct mounting plate on there. But like I said, if it's very thick at all, you won't have any threads. Oh, that's maple leaf. You can barely even feel it. Stupid gasket material. Looks like genuine Harley crap again. Did I put the washer in there? Yep. So what thickness washer did you buy?
Those are left over from when we set it originally with the other flywheel.
Hear that?
Yeah. Click.
See, it rotates freely. See it rotating in there. Gravity drops. See, there's no drag on it. Perfect alignment. Your end play is right at the lower limit there, but it's usable, but it's right at the limit.
Okay.
I like it. We're not full tight here, so it will get tighter. What it looks like on the other side. See? Alright, so the alignment is really good. See, there's no drag on it, feel it. Spins like a champ.
Oh yeah, super.
And this bushing's pretty damn tight over here because they didn't even want to go inside the cover, it was so close. So our alignment's dead nuts. Which you expect it to be because we actually used the cover to set the alignment.
Right.
Can't get any closer than that for alignment because it's dead. That's what we used.
The most aligned Harley stock case ever.
We lined the hole off this hole here, so you'd expect it to line up. Okay. Next thing is we gotta get the crank to work. That was your other problem. This bushing here is now different than what it used to be. $62, almost 62. Okay, so what do we reamed this before, or we didn't ream it at all yet?
I think we rough reamed it.
I'm not sure if we did that or not, really. But okay, so we're going to have to take this over the work area over there. Get the appropriate tool. That one there. That one there. This one there. Over on the bench. We're machining, aren't we?
Yeah.
We'll go back to the machine shop. That's how that works.
That's exactly how that works.
You gotta pull out the big boy toys now. There you go. What did you do? Who left this mess over here? Take you anywhere. Okay, so this is the Jim's tool. This is my tool. This is my Jim's modified my tool. I need that Dickie shirt there on the top of my tooling. Yep, that's the guy. Somebody left that one day. It's now my tool. Guess what that tool does down there?
That would be the protective sheathing tool, sir.
There you go. I think there's a Jim's part number on it someplace.
It's the high grade Dickies part number, sir.
It works better than a regular towel because it doesn't, chips don't stick to it.
Hmm.
The oil doesn't affect it either. It's almost like they made it for, this kind of application.
Clearly.
Okay, this is the starting reamer. Now, if we already did this, just go right in there with no problem. If we haven't used this one yet, it won't go in at all. It'll cut. So it's piloted, see? Okay, so stick it down in the hole, which I can't even see because it hurts too much. When that drops in, it's in there. You had a lot of drag on it. Okay, that tool is now done. I'll move on to tool number 2 after this, I bet. This rarely reams the right size anymore, so they dull out over years and they don't cut as much. So it's a good starting point. Crap it out of the way. Remember to bring all the right tools. All right. You know these don't match? Okay, in case you didn't know. Was that planned? Oh, okay. Sure now.
It was.
You're not just saying that.
Nope.
Okay, we don't need this in there anymore. Alright, let's go see if this fits. Oh, hold on. Gotta do some precision cleaning first. Alright, it's clean. I don't see no chips in there, so I don't think it cut anything. So this was probably used before.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now I'll get rid of this and this. Okay. I think that's got about 2/10 clearance. Maybe a half a thou. It's wearing itself in though, see? See how much it moves?
Mm-hmm.
Might be a little bit too tight.
Mm-hmm. Just a little snug.
Yeah, just a little bit. So we need to open it up just a little bit bigger than what you got.
Just a wee bit.
Oh, that means I'm not got that reamer back I just gave away. Damn it. Alright. Put this away prematurely. Gotta measure it first. Says 9/16.
The Tatro tool.
Precision and adapter bushings. Okay, this is adjustable carbide, so I can make it whatever size I want. It doesn't wear, but it does break when you drop it, so don't drop it. Okay, this is set right now about 1/4 of a thou bigger than the other one, which should be a little bit too close, but we haven't used it yet, so we're going to use it. Then we can make our fine-tuning adjustment from here, if needed. Cut slightly. See that big cut we took?
Mm-hmm.
Now if you leave that on the floor, it doesn't drop and break. That's important. Now if that wasn't big enough, then you put an Allen wrench in the end of it, and you rotate it. It's on a tapered screw. It opens it up, and it cuts bigger. And do it again. See a big low spot right there, the eyebrow?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
It's always an eyebrow because they don't give you metal to work with. Alright, see if that goes on there now. It's got double the clearance there.
It goes on there real nicely.
Yeah, I think even the shaft's got a high spot on it. So I'm thinking it's overdue for a little maintenance on the end of it. You know what that means, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Needs a little external honing.
Yeah.
This will also give it a lot better finish too. A lot smoother. I don't know if you can see in the video, but see the extra just a little bit more clearance, but not much. But now it doesn't bind up. It slides on a lot easier now. See how nice it slides now?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so when you put the crank in the case and put this on there and see if it binds any, if we can run it this tight, we'll run it this tight. If we can't run it this tight, then we'll cut it another quarter of a thou bigger as needed. So between smoothing this up and opening it up just a little bit, we've got a clearance where we need it. Alright, so next thing is we're going to hone out the big end of the case. That's why I left that for last over there, because it was dirty. It'll get dirtier quickly once we start cutting on it. So we're going to go ahead and hone this. Get rid of that. So this is the last thing that we didn't touch yet. So let's go see what kind of a finish we get on that. So see, you got like rust preservative in there or something right now, or,
Mm-hmm.
and so it's a little bit dull looking, but we'll see what it does. Okay, so we don't need that anymore. Get rid of those stones. Those stones go there. And we'll move on to the next group of stones, which is this pair. Just to find one. This is too small. So we move up to the next one in line over there. Yeah, there's the big brother. Or bigger brother, not the big brother. They get bigger as they go over there, see?
Yeah.
Okay. Prelubed. There we go. And it hurts. Okay. Okay. See, I got smoother.
Mm-hmm.
Oil hole. Okay, now we get the bore gauge and see what size it is. We set this earlier, so we were at 15 or 16 before and varied a little bit. So we're about 18 now. But see, over here we're a lot smaller. So 14. Stay out of the hole. 14. 16. So those bearings that I had over there, I was looking for around 15. I think was the number I was shooting for, as I recall. See, we're at 14 right there. A few more swipes this other way, and then we'll call it. Do a trial fitment. Just over 15 right there, 15 and a half now. Let's stay on the damn hole. 15 1/4 right there.
Mm-hmm.
15 1/2 right there. So I got the taper kind of out of it, but it's still out around quite a bit. It goes up to 18 there, 19. That's almost 19 there, I think, the angle.
Wow.
There's 18 there, so 19 is on the big side. So we got 4/10 out around on that thing. Main bearing is not nearly as critical as the rods.
Mm-hmm.
I'm all right with that. We're gonna have a performance looseness in there though. Okay, I'll clean all this stuff up. We'll come back and do some more measurements. So we'll be back.
Okay.
Okay, these are still good sized. I don't know what the crank was, so but I can measure it again. It's up to about 7 or 8, wasn't it? 8. We're definitely loose on the bearings. 8. We're at 8. See, I had 8 and 8 was 16, but that ain't true. It's 8 on the negative side. It's 2 up. We should be at 8 9/10 here. We're at 6/15. So that should mean we should be. Let's see. We're 2 negative. Puts us at 8 plus. 8 is 16. That's 4/10 bearings. A little bit tight for that. Where's that bore gauge? So 15 on the high side and 8, 8, 8. So between 15 and 8 after everything's cooled off. 16 is common. So these are standard. So let me send you my clearance. It's 8. Two tenths would be better than 4/10 for this application. Alright, can't get what we need anymore. A lot of those sizes, can't buy them anymore. Okay, this is Harley's new design. Let's see what size we need. There's a couple tenths over. This is standard. Same as what I got. So right now we're loose. We're about 6/10 on the loose side. This is my next size up, which is 4/10. And that's the last set of these, and they go to 8/10.
Oh joy.
Just can't get parts anymore. Nobody sells these anymore. They all sell them stupid ass one-piece ones, which I hate. Someone's got a crap load of these, but I don't know who they are. Somebody bought them pallets full of these things. They're not on eBay yet. At least I haven't seen them. Haven't exactly been looking for them lately either, so. Time to go hunting again on them for eBay, I guess. Yeah, these are 4/10. Yeah, definitely 4. So it's 8. Well, 8 and thou is 18. And we're basically 8, 7 or 8 on this. So we need to be at least 16 on this. We're at 15. So I need to open this up a 10th. Then I should be able to use these. Alright, so we got to open this up a little bit. So we got 16 to 17. Get this thing rounded up a little bit, hopefully. And then we can go these bigger ones.
Perfect.
We'll be back down there at the clearance we wanted to be at. Now I'm going to double check my numbers in my head. So we're 8. We're -8, which makes us +8. Then you add 8/10 for the rollers, puts us at 16. So the numbers match. Okay, so I gotta get this cleaned up a little bit. About 17 or so. It might shrink down a 10th, which will put us right at the 16 number. Alright, we'll be back again. More cleaning. Okay. Okay, that's looking pretty nice in there now. See how bad it is. Damn back. Alright, there's about 17.5 right there. 16 3/4. About 18, 18, 18.5, and probably about the same, 18.5, 19. So it looks like our low number is now turned into about 16.5 now instead of 15 like it was. Yeah, about right there's a tight spot. It goes to about 17 right there. Okay. So we have the clearance we need. Oh. So we're what, 16 and 19-ish. It's about 2.5/10 of 3/10 out, somewhere in the area. I'm sure that's better than it was too. see what kind of fit we got. Okay, you come up about 1/8 of an inch or so. Here.
Just slides back around. Mm-hmm.
On the tight side, but for break it in will be fine. Okay, wheels still move up and down. So another 1/10 or so would be a more my spec, but it's good. It'll run. You're going to give a little bit of a break in, I assume.
Oh yeah.
Okay, those are definitely not going to work. These are standard. I'll deal with those later. Okay, so now the Timken has to be fitted up in here. Get all clearanced, checked. So here's our snap ring on clearance over here. Plenty of room with the snap ring on there. It's got lots of inplay. Okay, so those are good. Alright. Alright, so we're going to do right now. You going to work for another hour or so at least, or call it a night?
I think we're gonna call it a night.
11 o'clock now. You got to drive back up to LA. Alright. We got held up too much by our needle bearing repair, but
Yeah, make good progress nonetheless.
yeah, we got good progress. It's a good fitment.
Yeah, everything's real good.
I'll go ahead and put this back on here right now so we can keep it clean as one unit. We'll get the Timkins fitted up, and then we'll check the rotation with the cam cover on it and make sure it's not dragging, and then you can go from there if you want, or I can finish it. It's up to you.
Cool.
Get the machining part done anyway.
Absolutely.
I think on this side might be a little bit loose on the clearances on this one though. Just keeps everything nice and clean in one spot at least.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I got a little, maybe too much clearance there, maybe.
It's close.
Yeah.
It's close.
Racing fit.
Racing fit.
It'll be fine. Alright. Looks fine. Good enough.
All right, that's a wrap.
That's it for tonight.